Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are looking to start selling on Amazon and don't know where to begin, you have come to the right place. Today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to create your Amazon seller's account. Let's jump right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Safari. In Google search bar, you have to type in Amazon Seller Central and tap onto the first result. Here in the screen, you can see sign up option. Tap on it. Click on create account. On welcome screen, you can see three bars. At first is first and last name. Write your first and last name. And second, tap on your email address. And at last, type in your password. As we can see that Amazon has suggested us a strong password and we have option to create our own. So let's just create our own password. Type in the password and click on next. Now the Amazon have sent you a verification code on your email address and you have to type in your code, then click on create Amazon account, and this is how you create your seller's account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.